Meaning of dystopian.
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 Dystopian. Dystopian refers to a society or world that is characterized by poverty, oppression, disease, and/or environmental destruction. It is the opposite of utopia, which represents an ideal or perfect society. In a dystopian world, the government or ruling authority may use violence to suppress individual freedoms, and citizens may struggle to survive in a harsh and unforgiving environment. The result of such a society is one where people are unhappy and unfulfilled, lacking hope for a better future. Dystopian worlds are often portrayed in literature and film as cautionary tales about the dangers of authoritarianism and societal collapse.